Am I the only one that didn't know how fun adjectives can be? Welcome to Blooming Kids Adjective class. Today, we're going to explore something super exciting. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe. They tell us more about a noun, like color, size, shape, or how something feels.
I am red and big. Those are adjectives describing me.
Let's look at some different types of adjectives. Color. The sky is blue. Size. The elephant is huge. Shape. The pizza is round. Feeling. The kitten is cute. Time for a quick challenge. Can you describe these pictures using adjectives? The students eagerly raise their hands and answer. Tall giraffe, soft pillow, bright sun, fantastic. Adjectives make our sentences more fun and interesting. Big or small, red or blue, adjectives describe for you. Happy, shiny, soft, and bright. Adjectives make words just right. The students dance and sing along happily. Great job, Blooming Kids. Now you know all about adjectives. Keep using them to make your sentences colorful and fun. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blooming Kids Club for more fun and learning.